Alright guys, so before we get started off with the video, make sure you guys go down and subscribe because I'm trying to hit 100 subscribers before the end of 2021. And let's get started with the video.
Cook it up, Xerox. Cook it up, Xerox.
What's up YouTube, it's your boy ZeYrox, and today we got another unboxing. It's been a minute because a bunch of beats on the channel, and since we're talking about beats and cook it up ZeYrox and all that shenanigans, we got the new Midi pad that I just got. So now we can make some more beats, better beats. Let's just examine the box real quick before we unbox it. So it says this is the Akai or Akai, I guess, Akai Professional, and it's a MPK mini play, and is the best-selling MIDI controller with built-in sounds, Pro Tools for good hardware and all that cool stuff. And that's what it is. It's a USB keyboard, so you can plug it into your computer pretty much. Got the side over here. This other side, same thing. Got some more stuff in Spanish, French, Italian, and Dutch. And this is what it is explaining to us. So we got our little drum pads, I guess. We have our keys, so you can put synths and harps and all those cool stuff. We also have a headphone jack, and got a display on it, so that's also cool. We got a bunch of drum kits that says that it can come with. It has 25 synth action mini keys, battery powered. There's an arpeggiator, I think I said that right, and there's a two-way joystick. So yeah. Alright, so let's get into the boxing. Alright guys, so let's get into the boxing. But first, I forgot to show you guys this new knife. It's by Tac Force, and it's a black steel karambit. It's got a nice little red accent, and you can go like that. That's what it looks like. And it's spring loaded, so you can just go like this. And yeah, so this will be our new unboxing knife for a while. That's what it pretty much looks like. It's got these little steel engravings on it. It looks pretty cool. Let's get into the unboxing. Take this and just eat this out of here, like so. And eat all this trash out of here. Peel this off. Just enjoy the satisfaction of this. That looks so glossy. Look at that. Look at all that gloss. Come on, bro. It's only on the ZeYroX channel. Alright, so this is pretty much what you are getting in the Akai Professional MPK mini play MIDI keyboard. So yeah. So the keys feel they feel pretty bouncy, a lot of tension. Very I feel like it fits my hand pretty well. And I feel, yeah, they look like they'll almost glossy for a little bit. So yeah. The buttons are very smooth. These dials are cool actually. So you can filter out the noise and volume and all that. And yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna plug it in and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, so this is what the keyboard looks like on the back side. So that's what you have to do to plug it in at the bottom. That's what the front looks like. So yeah, so it's pretty much 3 AA batteries. So alright, there you go. So got your batteries in pretty much, and it's a little thing, and it has a little piece of foam So that kind of makes it sound a little bit more premium in my case. But yeah. So this is how we gotta plug it in like this. All right, and it's gonna, and yeah, it's in. So what we're gonna do now is you can just turn it on at the back here. We're gonna do this little button right here. I'm just gonna turn it on, so it turns on, and you got this little thing right here. It says grand piano right now. I don't know if you can hear it. It might be yeah, you just plug it in, I guess, to your computer and listen. Something like that. I don't really know piano too much, but that's all I learned from one of my friends who did piano. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And I'm pretty sure you could plug it into your computer with this little USB cable. It's like almost like a cable that you would use for like a USB mic. I have a USB mic right here, and those are all the pads, so you can go like. Alright, so I'll just show you guys some pretty much me cooking it up in the studio with the new pad. Alright, let's get into it. Alright guys, so I just made this beat with the Akai Professional Pro, and it sounds pretty hard if I do this on myself. And yeah, I'm just gonna play it right now. So, and this is what the melody sounds like. Alright, so that's what the melody sound like. And next we have our it's more like our like hi-hats. So this is what like the first hi-hat would sound like. Alright, so now this is what the second hi-hat would sound like. And I'm just gonna play that. So yeah, so both of them together would pretty much sound like this. And then we just add a quick dry snare to it. And it's kind of like resonates like almost like a clap almost. So then we'll just pretty much have, this is our kick pretty much right here. So that's our kick, and now this is just our 808, and we're just gonna add everything together now except the melody. So this is what like the beat sounds like without the melody. It sounds pretty tough, I'm telling you, bro. This thing, it sounds like a pro. Like, this is like such a good purchase. Like, you guys need to purchase this, bro. And this is, so we're just gonna play it pretty much.
Cook it up, ITZZEYROX.
Alright, yeah, so that's pretty much what the beat sounds like so far. And yeah, I was able to make this beat. This new Akai Professional MIDI keyboard. This is one of the best purchases I ever made because, you know, I obviously like to make beats, and they don't call me Cook It Up Xerox for no reason. So if you guys like this video, and you know, make sure you guys go subscribe down below, click that like button, and make sure you guys leave a comment down below And yeah, if you guys like the video, peace.